Hey everyone, in today's video, you are going to learn how you can display internet speed meter in your notification bar. As you can see, in my notification bar, there is an internet speed meter. By following these steps, you can do easily in your Samsung or any smartphone. First, you need to open Play Store. Then you need to search here internet speed meter. Click internet speed meter and you need to download this application, internet speed meter lite. This application is very light in size, very informative. By clicking install button, once you have installed it, click this open. By opening this, the interface is very easy. As you can see, my notification bar here at the top, my phone has internet speed meter. Whenever I using my internet, this indicates me. I hope you like this video. Kindly subscribe to Tech Thunder.